Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me on today's episode. Today we're going to be replacing a broken window here in the garage door. I was trying to pull the garage door shut because the garage door opener quit working and it came off the tracks again, and then the window broke because the door's so large it twisted just a little bit and broke the window. So anyway, we have to fix this broken window in the garage door. I have a piece of acrylic that we're going to be putting in there. So first things first, let's get inside the garage and get this taken care of. Now that we're inside the garage, we're going to go ahead and close the garage door and start taking the frame off the back side of the window to get all the broken glass out. Okay, on the back side of this window, there are Phillips head screws. So we can go ahead and take those Phillips head screws off, and we're going to be able to take the back of this frame off, which is going to expose where the window's supposed to go. So I got my Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to go ahead and start doing this. Alright, now we have that frame off, we can go ahead, open up this garage door, and get back into the nice warm work area so we can cut up some of that acrylic to put in that hole. Okay, we have our window frame taken out of the garage door. We're now going to take our piece of acrylic and get it marked out and cut out to fit this frame. Let me show you how I'm doing that. Alright, we got our piece of acrylic here. Now we're going to go ahead and take our tape measure and get our window frame, the part that retains the acrylic, or the glass, because we're using acrylic on this, it was glass. Now because the sides do bow, they have a lot of movement in them, we don't want to get a false measurement in between the two, so we're going to go ahead and take a measurement across the inside of the end, which will be 10 7/8 of an inch. Kind of an odd measurement. Alright, so now remember, the protective film is still on this, so we can go ahead and write on the protective film. So we're going to have 7/8 by, and then we're going to measure from end to end. So from end to end we have 39 3/8. So we're going to go ahead and write that down by 39 3/8. Now I wrote that on here so that we don't forget and have to remeasure. And now we're going to go ahead and mark that out right here on this piece of. Now as I draw the lines out on here, I'm not going to use the fat tip of a Sharpie to try to draw that. That fat tip on that Sharpie is awful wide, it has a lot of room for error. I'm going to go ahead and mark out a line with the knife and just score it in there so I can see where that mark is. So I'm going to go ahead and line this up to the measurements that I made and then score the line. Now remember, when you're cutting, be careful of your thumbs. You only have two, you don't want to cut one off. Now I have this all measured out. I'm going to take my razor knife and go ahead and score this in. I'm only going to score it as big as the piece is that I need. Okay, now to score this line. Now this micro vibratory tool, this is going to be my tool of choice for cutting out this acrylic. It doesn't make large strokes and have to worry about it chipping and breaking out. Plus it has fine teeth that's going to do a nice job on cutting this. So I'm going to go ahead and get this going. We can go ahead and put our window frames back up here now. Take the piece that retains the actual glass, put that down, and we're going to test fit this. If we've done everything the way we're supposed to and made all the measurements correctly, it will fit like a glove. Alright, that fit like a glove. We're going to go ahead, take this down to the garage and get this put back into the door. Alright guys, that's it. We got the window replaced and I can go on to my next project, which looks like it might be plowing more snow. So anyway, I've enjoyed talking with you guys today. If you guys have enjoyed this episode, go ahead and click on the subscribe button right over here. By clicking on that button, you're going to be given instant access to all of the videos on my YouTube channel. You'll get instant access to all of the content that I have on my channel. And when you click on this that subscribe button, you'll be notified when I put new videos up, which looks like might be another one pretty soon with snow plowing. So I'm also going to include some links right over here for you guys. Go ahead and click on those links, see if there's anything there that sparks your interest. Hey guys, I've had a great time talking with you today. I appreciate you being here. I hope to see you soon on my next episode. Until then, bye-bye.